In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your PS5 not turning on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to check your power cable. Just make sure it's fully plugged in, and I'd recommend trying unplugging it and plugging it back in as well. From here, check your power outlet and make sure the switch is actually on as well, and also try a different outlet just to rule out any issues that you might be having with the current one. You can also test the outlet by plugging another device in to see if that works. Like try plugging in an iPhone charger, right, and then your iPhone into it to see if it charges. If it's not, there's an issue with the outlet itself. If it's still not turning on though, try using a different power cable. A faulty cable can't stop the PS5 from actually getting power, but if none of that works, the issue may be with the console itself, and at that point, the best thing that you could do is contact Sony support, especially if the PS5 is still under warranty, because they'll go ahead and replace it, or they'll fix it for you. As long as you go step by step through this guide, one of those should fix the problem for you. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.